Sup YouTube family, it's your boy King Abe. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a easy scalping strategy that you can use if you have a small account or if you're a forex beginner. So if this is your first time on my channel, all I ask is that you like this video, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. Now without further ado, let's take a look at the charts and let's get this video started. For this scalping strategy, I'm going to be showing you guys two examples. I'll be showing you guys a buy example and a sell example. But before I actually get into today's video, so if you guys want access to my signals on Discord, the link is going to be down below in the description. I'm going to have the Discord link down below in the description. Now, for this strategy, we're going to be looking at this strategy on the 15-minute time frame, and we're going to be using GBP JPY. That's the pair we're going to be looking at for this strategy. Now, if you guys look on my chart, you'll see I only have one indicator, and this is actually the simple moving average. You can see it's different. So if you want to use this indicator, you go here to indicators and you search for simple moving averages. Simple moving averages, that's what we need to look out for. Now make sure it's this first one right here that says stocks in box. I'm going to have the name down below in the description as well. Now once you're done, you just click on OK. Now what we need to look out for is when we're looking to use this strategy, we need two confirmations. Now when we're looking to take a buy position, if we look at this buy position right here, we need price to be above the 55 simple moving average. This is the 55 simple moving average. We need price to be above the simple moving average, and we need it to be green. You can change this in the settings. I'm going to show you guys how to do that as well. Now, once we have that first confirmation to take a buy position, our second and final confirmation is we need price to break above our resistance zone. That's the second and final confirmation that we need in order for us to take a buy position. And if we look at this buy right here, we can see that previously support, then became resistance. Now once we have this zone here, and also we can see that down here we had a support zone down here. So now we have those zones, and we have our support zone down here, and we have our resistance zone, and we have price above the 55 simple moving average. Now once we have this, now it's time for us to get in a buy position when we have price above, when price breaks and close above our resistance zone. So let me put this in replay mode, and I'll show you guys where your entry will be for this trade, for this buy position. Let's take a look and see where our entry will be for this buy position. Now we have that break right here. So now what we're simply waiting for is we're waiting for a retest. Now that's all we're waiting for. So let's keep looking. Now price is actually consolidating. Now once we have this right here, because now price was consolidating, and for me, I'll be waiting for price now to be above this zone right here, because we had consolidation after price broke above our resistance. Now my entry would be right over here at this candle right here. I'll have my entry right over here. That's where my entry will be. And for me to look for my stop loss zone, my stop loss will just be right below the 50 55 SMA right here, and for my take profit, I can easily just target this zone here as my take profit. This is going to be my target zone for my take profit because we had a rejection here, making this a resistance zone here. So I'm just going to target that as my take profit zone. So I'll have that right there. So we're looking at 31 pips, stop loss 25 pips, risk to reward ratio 1:2. So let's take a look and see how this trade actually played out. Right there, we got our take profit smash right there for 31 pips, stop loss 25 pips, risk to reward ratio 1:2. So guys, this is how you use this strategy to take a buy position. Now let's look for a sell position. Let me show you guys a sell position real quick. We don't even have to go too far. So now for a sell position, what we simply need to look for, we need two confirmation as well. We need the 55 SMA. We need it to be red. That's the first confirmation. Now our second confirmation that we actually need is we need price to close below our support zone. That's what we actually looking for. We need price to close below our support zone because we know we had rejection here and we had rejection here. So this is our support zone right here. So we need price to close below this support zone right here. So now let's put this in replay mode and let's take a look and see where our entry is going to be for this sell position. Now let's just take a look. So now over here for me, we had the break below support right here. We have the break below support right here. Now I'll just have my entry. Right here at this bearish engulfing candle right here. Now I can have my stop loss right above this support zone right here for about 16 pips. And for my take profit target, I could easily, because when we're trading from zones to zones. We actually trading from zones to zones. Can have my take profit right there. And if I need another take profit, all I got to do is to look to the left hand side and see if I can find another zone, potential zone for me to target. And I could actually target this zone, this consolidation area. Looking at this to the left hand side, that could be my next potential take profit target. Now let's see if price actually go to both targets. So our target goal for our take profit is 60 pips for this sell position, and we have our stop loss at 16 pips. So let's see how this trade played out. Bam, right there we got our take profit smash right there before the pullback. And once you have your take profits one smashed, if you're using more than one take profit, I'll always recommend you to move your stop loss to entry price, and then always, and you can also take partial profit as well if you can, or if not, just make sure you move your stop loss to entry price and then start trailing your stop loss from there. So guys, this is exactly how you use this strategy for a sell position and a buy position. I tried my best to make sure this video wasn't too long. So guys, now to the settings for this indicator. Let me delete all this. Let me exit this. Now to the settings for this indicator, what we need to do now is you go here to your settings. Once you add it onto your chart, then you focus on changing the first one here that says SMA number 1. You change that to 55, and then you go to style. You only click on SMA 1. All this, the rest of them, you just uncheck all this, you uncheck the rest of them. You only need this first one, and then you change the first color to green, and you can change the thickness if you want. And then the second color, you change it to red, and you can change the thickness excuse me, you can change the thickness if you want as well. Now once you're done, you just click on OK, and it's going to look exactly like this. Remember, once price is above the 55 SMA and is green, you're looking for a buy position, and once price is below the 55 EMA and is red, you're looking to take a sell position. When you use this strategy and you combine it together with support and resistance, I'm telling you guys, you're going to start seeing some incredible and amazing results, and you'll be able to become a profitable trader, and you'll be consistent. So guys, this is how to use this strategy. So guys, if you find value in this video, all I ask is that you give this video a thumbs up, because it's really going to help my channel a lot. So give this video a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys at the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. I'll see you guys in my next video.